Hey PebbleGo teachers, not sure where to get started on PebbleGo? You're in luck because in-app tutorials are now available. Come with me and I'll show you how it works. When you log into PebbleGo, click on the Resource Center in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Take a Tour. When you start the tour, you'll be guided to different pop-ups in PebbleGo showing you the different features. These tutorials are perfect if you're new to PebbleGo, onboarding new teachers back from summer break, or just need a quick refresher. You'll learn about PebbleGo, PebbleGo Next, educator tools, standards-aligned content, games, and more, all while actually using the platform. Select tutorials also include video walkthroughs for PebbleGo, PebbleGo Next, Capstone Interactive, and educator tools, so you can follow along however you learn best. Here's a quick look at one of our in-app tutorials. In just a few clicks, you'll feel more confident navigating PebbleGo and supporting your students. Head to the Resource Center, take a tour, and let me know which feature you explore first. Check out our blog to learn more. See you next time!